When people hear the universe is expanding, they imagine a bang, an explosion, something stretching outward into empty space. But that raises a question no one ever really answers. Expanding into what? If space is what's expanding, then what is it expanding into? Most explanations dodge that question. They tell you space is stretching, or the metric is changing. But those are just words, not answers. So let's try something different. Let's start with one simple idea. Maybe the universe didn't begin. Maybe space has always existed. And what we're seeing, the galaxies moving apart, the redshift, the background radiation, it's not creation. It's an imbalance. Now, before we go further, let's define what we're talking about. When I say light matter, I mean all the stuff we can see or detect. Atoms, radiation, energy, stars, everything that makes up the visible universe. When I say dark matter, I don't mean some mystical force. I mean the gravitational matter we can't see. The invisible mass that outweighs light matter and shapes galaxies. Two types of matter. One invisible, one bright. Both very real. Now let's imagine they've always existed. And so has space. No beginning. No creation event. Just eternal space filled with dark and light matter in balance. But then, something changed. Not space, not dark matter, but light matter. Maybe it cooled, or condensed, or crossed some threshold. And when it did, its gravitational hold weakened. Just a little. That tiny change broke the balance, and dark matter started pulling. Not violently, but steadily. What we call the expansion of the universe is just light matter being pulled outward. Not into a void, not into nothing. Just further across the space that was always there. Space didn't expand. The matter in it lost equilibrium. That's it. Expansion isn't creation. It's an outward collapse. Eventually, that expansion slowed down. Dark matter thinned. Its pull weakened. Light matter found balance again. But over time, that balance broke once again. Dark matter shifted. New structure, new reach, new pull. Expansion started accelerating. We blame dark energy. But maybe it's just another imbalance. Maybe the universe isn't flying apart. Maybe it's just breathing. And here's the twist. What if light matter eventually becomes dominant? What if, over unimaginable time, it pulls back? What if expansion stops? And then reverses? Not a big crunch, not a reset. Just another beat in the rhythm of an eternal system. There was no beginning. There won't be an end. Just a cycle of balance and collapse. Thanks for watching. See you next time.